Okay, so large numbers. Large numbers are obviously an issue with our learners. So this is a lovely snippet from the Answer Series 3-in-1 study guide. And by all means, print it out. And what I suggest you do is you stick it above your blackboard or in a visible place in your classroom. So learners again can go back to basics. We need to teach them that they need to break it down into group names. They're working with ones, thousands, millions, billions, which are then broken down into hundreds, tens, and units. So let us look at the terminology, again, that learners battle so much with. The reason I like this and the way it's presented is that it gives us the definition in words, and it makes sense to a lot of our learners as well as visually. So for example, with million, a million is 1,000 thousands. So most learners understand thousands, and there they can easily see the 3 noughts represent 1,000, and the next 3 noughts also represent 1,000. So we then have 1,000 thousands, which give us a million. Again, print this out for your learners, let them stick it in their book and put it up in your classroom. So hopefully it's also going in subconsciously. That is a baseline assessment or a class exercise that you're welcome to use. There are 2 questions and they are taken from past NSC papers. The first question gives us the number and they're asked to write it in expanded format. And for that, encourage your learners, write it out in group names. So 241,6 billion. So the comma 6 is a fraction of a billion. So when I'm doing my billion, there goes my 241. Comma 6 is 6, so it moves into the millions, and we add our noughts. And in that way, they'll be able to grasp large numbers in a lot more concrete way because they can see it visually. Next question is given in digital format, in numbers, and they're asked to write it in words. And again, draw this up for them, millions, thousands, ones. And then they're filling in their digits and relating it back to the words. So that's a nice baseline assessment that you can do with them.
If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new episodes. Follow us on Instagram or Facebook to stay on top of the latest TAS news and launches. So that's it for now from the Answer Series, your key to exam success.